Alright, hey dudes, Matt V2099 here, and what we are going to test is to see if we oil up and lube the striker, which you're not supposed to do, which I did in my previous over-lubing a Glock video, and you're not supposed to do it because it'll cause your gun to fail. What we're going to test and see is if maritime spring cups will increase that reliability. They are supposed to be able to negotiate debris and oil and water in your striker channel and help it function properly. So Glock actually makes spring cups for law enforcement and military that they don't give to civilians. So you have to pretty much buy these aftermarket ones. What I have are some ghost ones. I have a few sets. This is a set that's never been used before. It's like brand new. It says right on there, make your Glock more reliable by permitting the firing pin to bypass water, oil, or debris in the firing pin channel. So I'll quickly take my slide down here. Okay, so these are your spring cups. These hold the spring on the striker. It's two pieces. So you pretty much, you pull this, see, you pull your spring down and you have these two cups, they pretty much just fall right out. I am a scientist, but I'm not like certified by Glock. So I could be fucking my shit up. I could be voiding my warranty. There we go. However, if anybody wants to help me, anybody has the credentials to get me into one of those armor classes, hook me up, yo. Okay, so let's put this back together. Lube it up, cause a failure. Install. Okay, it's freezing cold out here, and I'm hoping the motor oil is super thick. We're gonna dump some down there. We're intentionally causing a failure. Okay. Oh snap. See, there's actually this hole here and the debris is supposed to come out. Extra oil comes out. So. But this is totally excessive. This should cause a failure, but if the Glock doesn't fail, that's pretty awesome. But okay, it's all put together. Got a mega Glockazine here on my. Oh, I actually grabbed the Glock brand one. Okay, I thought I had a Korean one, but I usually don't like to defile the Glock brand assault clips. Okay, I'm gonna ears on just in case this thing works. I hope it doesn't. It shouldn't. And there we go. That should be a light primer strike, and I have another Glock on standby here. Drop free. We have a light primer strike, as expected, and we're going to put that in the, we have a fresh Glock here, just to show that it works. Okay, good ammo. I intentionally caused an over-lubing fail. So what we're going to do is install the maritime cup, see if we can get one of them, see if we can get it to work. Okay, so these are the spring cups, the normal ones. They're all over-lubed to failure. Let's remove them. This is gonna be like one of the hardest things ever with freezing cold, oily, gloved hands. There we go. Maritime spring cups installed. Let's over-lube this thing. I'm not sure it'll even work. Okay, we can just rub that in this lube. Dump some excess lube in here. Oh, that is over-lubed. Wipe up some of this lube. You can see there's a pile there. This is so nasty. Make sure I don't lose the original spring cups there. Put them in the oil. It's starting to get dark. And it's getting freaking cold. This is extreme. Okay, get my ears on. Take my stupid gloves off. I'm all oily. Alright, maritime spring cups. Will they work? Oh, snap. Oh, there's no ammo in it. Haha. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. So apparently you can overlube with maritime spring cups too, and it's so cold. I'm not going to do this any further. I'm not going to pursue this any further. I think we've completely done the overlubing a Glock to death, unless somebody has some specific requests. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Alright dudes, if you made it this far, I would really appreciate it if you dropped a comment telling me what you thought, or giving me suggestions or ideas for new videos. And if you like or dislike, that's huge. It helps out
dude, we lost a pickle.
A lot. And check out
can't have that. You know pickles get to escape.
James Beast. Link
there
in the description. Thank you for watching.